Hi, welcome to another video of 10 ICSE Physics. In the previous class we discussed about energy, different kinds of energy. We discussed about kinetic energy, potential energy, different kinds of potential energies are there. What is elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. Today we are going to discuss about kinetic energy, different kinds of kinetic energy. You know that a body can move in different ways. For example, if it is a floor, then a body can move from one place to another place in a straight line. If it is a body of mass m, it can move from one place to another place in a straight line. That kind of motion is known as translational motion. If another kind of motion is, if an object, it is an object, okay, it can rotate about an axis. An object can rotate about an axis. That kind of motion is known as rotational motion. Then, even though if you stretch a string to between two rigid supports, then if you displace some part of the string here, it will vibrate like this. This kind of motion is known as vibrational motion. That means motion can be mainly classified into three. Number one, translational motion. Number two, rotational motion. And number three is vibrational motion. That is vibration. That is all kinds of motion we can classify it into three: translational motion, rotational motion and vibrational motion. You know that kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a moving object. If there is a motion, there should be a kinetic energy. It may be translational motion, it may be rotational motion, it may be vibrational motion. If an object is moving and if it is a translational motion, that kind of energy is known as translational kinetic energy. Okay, for example, a vehicle is moving along a straight road. Then the motion of the vehicle is an example for translational motion. The energy possessed by that vehicle is known as translational kinetic energy. Then if it is a spinning top, it is rotating about an axis. This is known as rotational motion. In rotational motion, the kinetic energy possessed by rotating body is known as rotational kinetic energy. Then if an object is vibrating like a string, the energy possessed by this vibrating spring is known as vibrational kinetic energy. That is, it means that kinetic energy is classified into three. Kinetic energy can be classified into three. They are translational kinetic energy. If an object is in translational motion, the energy possessed by that object is known as translational kinetic energy. If it is an object is rotating, then energy possessed by that kind of object is known as rotational kinetic energy. If an object is vibrating, vibration means to and fro motion. If an object is vibrating, then the energy possessed by that object is known as vibrational kinetic energy. That is, kinetic energy is classified into three: translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy and vibrational kinetic energy. Depending upon the motion of an object may possess either one of this kind of energy or more than one of this kind of energy. For example, if a vehicle is moving in this direction, you know that the tire of the vehicle or the wheel of the vehicle will move in this direction. If you observe the motion of the wheel, it has translational motion, that is, it is moving along a straight line, as well as it is rotating in this direction. The tire will rotate, at the same time it will move forward. That means it possesses two kinds of motion. At the same time it is a translational motion, as well as it has rotational motion. ഇത് ഫ്രണ്ടിലോട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിന് ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷണൽ മോഷനും ഉണ്ട്, അതേസമയം റൊട്ടേഷണൽ മോഷനും ഉണ്ട്. Therefore, this kind of motion possesses translational energy as well as rotational energy. Translational and rotational. ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിന് റൊട്ടേഷനും ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷനും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ രണ്ട് എനർജി അതിനുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ ചില ഒബ്ജക്റ്റുകൾക്ക് at the same time it may have translation, rotation and vibration. For example, molecules of a gas can move in any direction. That means it has translational motion. It can rotate. The molecules will rotate about its axis. That means it has rotational motion, and the particles will vibrate to and fro at the same time. It has vibrational motion also. That means the particles or the molecules of the gas particles possess translational, rotational and vibrational motion. Therefore the particles has translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy and vibrational kinetic energy. That means that if an object is in motion, it may have all three kinds of kinetic energy. അതായത് ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിന് ഒന്നുകിൽ ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജികൾ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മൂന്നെണ്ണവും കാണാം, ഏത് വേണോ കാണാം. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ മൂന്ന് കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജികളിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും മിനിമം ഒരെണ്ണമെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. മൂവ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നുകിൽ ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷണൽ കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റൊട്ടേഷണൽ കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വൈബ്രേഷണൽ കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് മേ ഹാവ് മോർ ദാൻ വൺ. അല്ലെ, ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിന് ഇതിൽ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലും കാണാം. ഈ എക്സാമ്പിളിന് ഇതിന് ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷണൽ കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി ഉണ്ട്, റൊട്ടേഷണൽ കൈനറ്റിക് എനർജി ഉണ്ട്. മോളിക്യൂൾസിൻ്റെ കേസിൽ ഇത് മൂന്നും വരാം. Okay, therefore that means kinetic energy is classified into three: translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy and vibrational kinetic energy. Okay, these are the main classification of kinetic energy. Hope you understand well. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box.